Ubuntu. 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 I'm gonna fix it. All right, we're gonna try it out. Oh, this is gonna be such a mess repartitioning in the server. Oh, let's see if I screw this up and wipe out my computer. High probability. And we're in 4K. Great. This is going so well. Oh no. Guys, we're just gonna have to... Oh, I can barely see it. Yikes. How do I fix this? Can I change the installer resolution? I don't think I can. Oh, bummer. Okay. Sorry guys. We're just, I'll you know what, I'll fly through this. It'll be fine. Custom storage layout. And this is where it gets interesting. So, what we're gonna do... Oh no. Crap. Okay. I'm pretty sure for some odd reason. Oh man. This is just unfortunate. All right. It's an ESP partition. Yeah, get a magnifying glass. Here, I can probably fix it for you. Oh, I can just work off of that. 1 second. I got an idea. Even though it's... Oh, crap. What happened? Oh, I can't change the resolution on that, but I believe... Can I do apt? Or no, depackage, reconfigure? Reconfigure console setup, maybe? Oh, yeah. Terminus bold, please. Let's do maximum frame buffer. Okay, cool. All right. How do we relaunch into Ubuntu? How do we relaunch into Ubuntu server? What is it? Got it somewhat readable now. Control plus, shift plus. Yeah, no. So I escaped out of the installer, but now I need to get back in the installer. Let's see what I can do here. Oh, I lost all function. That's right, I don't have synergy anymore. Let's see. I think... This is terrible. Relaunch. Relaunch. Ubuntu. Nope. Relaunch. Okay, here we go. Relaunch Ubuntu server install. Okay, there's that. Keyboard, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So I came out, did a console setup. I think I did a TTY. Did I, though? Ubuntu, your article does not help at all. Getting the installer. Okay. Escape, go back. F1, help menu. Control Z, F2, switch to cell. Control L, F3, redraw screen. Control T, F4, rich mode, color Unicode. Yeah, it'd get me back in the installer, but then I lose my customization from the bigger install font, so you guys can't see what I'm doing. So that's why I'm like, let's see. Let's do Control L F3. All right, let's just try maybe Control F7, Control F1. All right, Control F1, F2. TTY 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then none of those. All right, so we're in TTI 1. Server install. You think they would just tell you how to relaunch the installer? Blasted Ubuntu. Maybe just launch Ubuntu server installer. Does that give me anything? Surely someone else has done this. I know. I like to obsess over little stupid stuff that doesn't matter. But I like for y'all to be able to see what I'm doing. So then you can be like, hey, Titus, that's dumb. Don't do that. Especially when I'm going to format all my drives. Being a DAU. No, I don't know what that is. Or laugh at me when I do something. Yeah, you guys gotta be able to see and be like, oh, this is gonna be good. But alas. Ah, man. I got an idea. Let's look up. All right, Ubuntu server switch to shell. All right, how to leave the GUI. All right, you can do the Control-Alt-F ways to switch the TTY, which I did, but I didn't want to do that. So Control-Alt-F3, I think that just switches us to TTY3. Yeah, so we're on TTY1. That does not help. Dang. All right, we're just gonna reboot. I'll try to just zoom in. That's such BS. Yeah, we should get a yes, do as I say prompt. I just wanted you guys to be able to read when it says do as I say and then me completely ignore it and then, you know, blow up my system. It's just so much more fun. So much more fun that way. Oh well. Fun. Oops. Nope. Control delete. Missed it. Missed my BIOS setup. Here we go. We're off. Oh, and then it switches. Do you use glances? I do not. All right, we're getting ready to nuke it all. Now, I'd have to nuke multiple disks to screw this up because most of my data is sitting in my home folder and I still have that old spinning platter with my home folder. We did a huge copy for the past 3 hours of all of that to 2 new 1 terabyte LVM new volume group all SSDs. So that should be good. Alrighty, and we're just gonna fly through here. Just doing that. Now we get to the partition. This is where it gets really weird. Boot EFI, new partition, new logical volume. Okay. So, I think what we'll do here, let's just, okay, close that. So where's the boot EFI partition coming from? Okay, it's looked like it wants that one partition, which is fine. That's great. Now what I can do, it looks like it wants to do this new logical volume device. We're gonna delete that. Okay. So we have this VG existing. And then we can edit it. And then we don't want to format it. Leave it as ext4. We want to mount this as home. Save. So now we have home, boot EFI. If you scroll really far in on my 4K display. And now we need to wipe out one of these drives and put another one on. So this is unused. I think we can just delete that. We're gonna delete the XFS. All right, well, I guess we're just gonna reformat. All right, so we've reformatted the Linux drive, I think. Damn, I can't even see it, guys. I'm sorry. All right, problem. It looks like it grabbed my Windows device. Don't want that. I don't want that. Unmount. No. No, Ubuntu. Do as I say. Do as I say. Come on. Oh, man. Let's see. Whatever. At this point, screw it. We're just going to delete it all. What's the worst that can happen? Delete. So dumb. All right. Now we need to find something for the root. Yeah, so the resolution changed in boot. So it actually was 1080p, and then as soon as it launched into this installer, which I really hate the installer for Ubuntu server, but, you know, whatever. It's fine. We're going to grab this. We have the boot, new partition on local disk. Where's that at? Boot EFI is going to be on 98B. Okay. Create. All right, so we have our EFI partition. We have our root partition. We have our home partition that's not going to be new. So that should pull in all our settings. And I don't know, yay, nay. Let me zoom in. I want to show you. I'll show it on the chat here. All right, let's close this so you guys can see everything that I'm doing, and then you tell me what y'all think. Here we go. Enhance. Enhance. Hell yeah. So, I want you to use your mental powers to envision the partitioning screen here, and then we're just gonna say yes to this. Jeez. Ah, man. Whatever. What's the worst could happen? We're just gonna go home and say yes. I feel like this is good. From squinting at this screen, I feel like this is gonna be okay. Although there's a bunch of unused ESP partitions here. That's kind of weird. What? Why? Oh. Oh. That, never mind. Don't delete that. Chris, just go with it. It's fine. Just go with it. Existing, existing, existing. I mean, I guess this could work. All right, whatever, it's fine. All right, existing, new, new. Now if I could just find the done button. There we go, done. We will destroy everything. Confirm, continue. All right, we're gonna call this Studio PC. All right, done. Do I want to install NVIDIA drivers? No. Hopefully we can catch grub and do like a no mode set. I have a feeling it's probably going to be, well, it may not be problematic. All right, we're installing the kernel now. You know what's funny is this Ubuntu server is actually not so bad during the install, but you got to click view full log, and then you can get a little bit better idea of what's happening in the background. I hate the fact that they dumb down the log. Just show me what you're doing. Like, I get it. I know they're just trying to make it user friendly. But I'd prefer just to tab over to view full log and then just see what's happening from a text prompt. I have noticed on Ubuntu 22, it's really leveraging needs restart of systemd services, which is really interesting. I don't think I've ever seen any distro do it quite like how Ubuntu 22 is doing it. Maybe that's where some of the bugs come from as well. Yeah, that's true. It is a server install. Why are they dumbing it down? Like, do you really need to support a 4K screen? If it's a 4K screen, just output in 1080p. You know, like certain things like that, I'm just like, oh, that's aggravating. But we're gonna run into that on this bare metal install. I have just so much hardware in here. It's just a very complicated install. I feel good about it, though. Good enough, I should say. I think right now it's just updating packages. Ubuntu server does do a good job of doing the install, and I don't think they prompt you for the packages to upgrade. I think it just forces it right into an apt update upgrade. All right, I think that's it. Let's reboot. All right, if we did it right, we should have a grub screen. If we did it wrong, may God have mercy on our souls. It's going to be a sad, long night for me. Oh, well. Let's see. Not the best start. Not the best start at all. All right, let's shit. Oh, did it? Oh, all right. Let's see. It might have tried to install it through. Okay, no. We're good. I was like, please tell me it didn't try and do like a legacy boot situation. All right, now Ubuntu's at top. Now let's do F10 and save. Might work. Yeah, I know. I was thinking I could totally do this by myself because I got all these upcoming videos for the virtualization happening that I'm doing this for. And I was like, yeah, this would make for a good live stream. All right, here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and do like a no mode set here just because NVIDIA really does not like usually, although no mode set's really for, I don't think I need to do a no mode set. Let's just try it with vanilla with no changes. I'm pretty sure this should be fine. I'll do a console setup too here so you guys can see. We can get out of the 4K craziness that's going on here. All right, we've reached host and network name lookups. We are going to have some problems because I do have a 10G card that I don't think is natively supported. I can't remember what I did to get that going though. Yeah, start job for network right now. So let's just sit and wait. I think this has to time out. Usually takes about 90 seconds by systemd defaults. So let's hang tight for about 30 seconds. We should get a prompt. Then we'll get that snapd shenanigans type BS. And then we're going to start to do some of the PCI pass-through stuff. I want to make sure we blacklist our NVIDIA card because I don't want the NVIDIA card doing all kinds of dumb things during our install. Although right now I don't think it will with the Novu driver. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. No mode set solves some NVIDIA cards when you install the proprietary drivers. They just you have massive screen distortion. So doing no mode set goes ahead and says, hey, don't set the mode. Just let the drivers take over and install it basically, or utilize the display. Now, since I'm not really using the NVIDIA card, like I said, I think we should be fine. All right, start job still running for the network. Oh, hell, is this like a net plan thing where it's just like all jacked up? Oh. I think I might be able to go like TTY2, maybe? All right, yeah, it finally timed out. It took 2 minutes, actually. All right, we're at our prompt. First order of business. Depackage, reconfigure, console setup. Sudo that. All right, let's go terminus, max setting. Now you should be able to read that. How's that for everybody? A little bit better, right? We got that. LSBLK. We're looking good. Oh, we got all that snapd garbage. Time to take care of that, right? Sudo apt purge snapd. Let's just yeet snapd into non-existence. Sudo apt mark hold snapd, and you are gone. All right, LSBLK. Much better. Ah, so much cleaner. Perfect. So now we have a more simplified scheme. And I think we can start installing all the packages. There's one other cool little thing I did here. I think it is... Did I do packages? Oh, did I not? Oh, installed apps. Yes. All right, cool. So before I dump my Debian install, I did a package dump. I just did an apt list and then outputted that to a text file called apt installed packages. Pulled that up in Vim, cleaned it up, and this was what I got. So now we need to pipe this into a sudo apt install. But we probably need to get some basic things like maybe BSPWM. Let's see what it grabs. I think that should grab most of... Can't remember if there's anything else I probably should grab on top of that. Maybe not. Ah, hell, let's just install like 1,000 packages in a go. Sudo apt install cat. Let's put this in parentheses. Let's do cat installed apps, and I think that should Rutrow. Okay, minor problem here. I didn't think about me being on and having a whole bunch of... Oh, okay. That was unfortunate. So I was on Debian SID. There's a lot of packages that exist on Debian SID that don't exist over on Ubuntu. So this is not gonna work. Ah, that would have been so cool though. Yeah. That's okay. Let's just come into old GitHub. Let's do a git clone. And we're going to go github.com, my repo, Ubuntu Titus. This should get us most of the way there. I think there's still a little rough around the edges, to be honest with you. I don't know if this will ever be ready for mainstream, but I just kind of created it for myself so I can kind of get things set up sort of how I have it in a pretty minimal state. All right, here we go. Let's see how this does. It should grab most of the packages so we can get to the desktop and start experiencing awesomeness. All right, we don't have X resources, Xnord, or bg.jpg. That's fine. All right, we did just switch over to Nala, so now we're using Nala instead of just plain apt. A little prettier. Sorry for the screen shenanigans. It comes with the territory. And this should grab most of our packages. VMware virtualization. Earlier in the stream, I kind of touched a little bit more in depth about it, but that's pretty much the justification. I think if I was on like Debian Buster or Bookworm, it wouldn't be so bad, which I think Bookworm's still in testing. But I mean, for a lot of the VMware stuff, I'd prefer to be on like Ubuntu 22. Say no to Cheetos mac and cheese. I agree with that statement. That is a smart statement. Jalopy, what's up? Have you broke it yet? Too soon to sell, Jalopy. We're about to know after this this reboot here. All right, replace. Sure, let's just replace all. That was my ad. I should sub. You don't have to, man. Well, I just appreciate you chatting with me. Drinking a beer for your sakes now. Yeah, this is my main studio production PC, so if this goes completely awry, dude, that's gonna suck. All right, we got a graphical target. Let's see what etc. Let's just switch over to root. Let's go to etc. Let's vim up sddm. Oh, we don't have anything here, huh? Wait, what? Theme slice. Okay, well, that's a pretty minimal SDDM. Okay, probably gonna do an auto login here. Let's just exit groups. Oh, sudo chmod. Let's do an AG auto login Titus. Invalid mode AG. Is that different? Maybe it's add group, or maybe it's group add. Huh. Yeah, thanks for the bits, man. Much appreciated. Oh, it is as high as it goes for the TTY console. This is actually a 4K bit. Let's give it a reboot. Let's see how well my script worked for Ubuntu Titus. This should look something like what I had. I anticipate bugs. It's just one of them things. Just one of them things that we get. We probably should go through and do like a... I was about to say, we got a black screen. All right, that's better. We could also do X11 edits and just do like an X11 or Xorg comp file and then force certain resolutions as well. Yeah, we got no wheel group. Yeah, good point. User mod, that's right. chmod. Was I using chmod there? Oh, that's sad. Okay, user mod. Mental note, change systemd timeouts. Oh, I don't know why they make it so ungodly long. Network's either there or it's not. You don't need 2 minutes to figure out if the network connection is going to happen. Like, I can't think of one scenario where that's a thing. And if it is, you need to go switch out your network. If it takes longer than 30 seconds, please just change the timeouts. All right, we will. I can't remember exactly where systemd timeouts are, but this is gonna bother me. We're definitely going through etc. I think it's etc systemd, and I believe there's a comp file in there where we can change the timeouts to 30 seconds. User.comp. Yeah, I think you're right there. I remember when we used to have to change, I think it was the paging file, not the paging file. I'm thinking of Windows, but it was something for like F-Sync, I remember. Like in 2019, even 2020, I think some distros were just catching up where that wasn't really a problem. I may do that, Jalopy. Don't tempt me. You know me. All right. We are in like Flynn. All right. Do we have a desktop? We have cows. Yes. Giant 4K desktop. Let's fix that. First order of business. Apt install a Randar. Yes, please. Let's do an a Randar script. We're gonna just change this resolution to 1080p, please. All right. Ah, much better. All right, let's save as death. Replace. Okay. So we do an X randar. Looking good. Now we're at 120 refresh rate at 1080p. Much better. Let's reload our BSPWM. Should look mighty fine. Mighty fine. All right. Let's do it. IPA. We still don't have the 10 gig connection up yet. That's problematic. But let's just clear that. Let's just... What's this look like? Did this... Yeah, it looks like it kept all my... Yeah. Cool. That actually looks pretty good. All right, let's reestablish some of the linking. Fix our bash. All right, that should, let's just install that bad boy. Perfect. Boom. All right, got my shell back. Things are looking up. Oh, I'm feeling good. Feeling good about this. All right, now we got NeoVim. Let's start setting it up. NeoVim actually is going to take care of a lot of things. It's going to get Ruby, Vim, quite a bit of some of the packages I'm missing in here. Go language. We're going to get this development environment set up. In the meantime, when I'm doing like a Vim, all right, here's oh, this is so old. 0.6. Okay, no Ubuntu. This is bad. Dang it. Brave. Hey, Brave's still installed. I don't know why that works, but cool. Oh, I think my script actually installed it. Perfect. Let's go GitHub. Let's see, GitHub. What's the best way to go about this? I think a Nix environment, or do I just directly install NeoVim? You know what? I think there's a NeoVim PPA, right? Still thinking in the Debian realm. What do we got? What's the last package for NeoVim? Ooh, 0.7. I still don't like that. Do we have a... What other branches we got? Yeah, unstable. What do we got? Yeah, 0.9. Do we live on the edge? What do you think, chat? Unstable, stable. Has chat ever said stable? No, that's dumb. By me asking chat, it means unstable. Yeah, see, current is 0.81 for stable. So the PPA is not maintained all that well. Although it says it was updated 24 hours ago. So what the hell's going on with the stable branch? Is it just a launchpad thing? Because it says stable right here. Last updated 07/20/2022. And it's at 0.7. Yeah, I'm thinking unstable. Like, even though unstable, it's like a little misleading, because unstable NeoVim, I haven't run into any problems, and you get so many more features out of it. I want to say like tree setter and some of the syntax highlighting just improves drastically with some of the later versions. Oh, it's been out for 25 days. Maybe the person running the PPA just hadn't gotten around to it. Let's just do it. Let's do unstable. All right, what are we upgrading? I guess I should have looked. Nah. Let's just try it. All right. Oh yeah. There we go. All right. Let's get some Packer going. Let's just do a check health. How we doing? We're missing some packages, folks. NPM Node.js, please. I think it's just Node, right? No, Node.js. Let's grab those two. What else we got? Node.js. You know what? I think we got quite a bit of this. I think we still need to do a pip. Do we have well, let's see. Keep going. All right, cool. Is pip installed? See? Yeah, I was like, nah, they never install. No matter what script I do create, I always forget to do pip install neovim. Let's just grab that. Okay, cool. Yay. So all this is good. I think we are set on that. Alrighty. Boom. Oh, looking better. Looking much better. All right, let's start getting our linters going. I think I had Lua check. Oh, darn it. I can't remember which ones. Oh, PowerShell editor. Okay, cool. Let's do sudo apt install PowerShell. I know what y'all are thinking. Titus, why are you installing PowerShell in Linux? Because I like to make myself hurt. All right. I should put that over there. Make some PowerShell. All right, here we go. PowerShell. Install Ubuntu. Whatever. 1804. We got some GPG keys, blah, blah, blah. I don't like that way. What do we got for a PPA? PowerShell. PPA PowerShell. Ubuntu. Ah, here we go. All right, so there's a deb package. We can do that way. Install via direct download. I think this way is the best way to go. All right. What else we got? GPG keys. I think that should work. Yeah. All right, now we got PowerShell. Ah, PowerShell, yay. Done. Now, we'll look at our linters. Protolint for sure. Shell check I use all the time. That's just amazing. Write good. Love it. Vim. All right. Mason. Where are we at? All right, we got PowerShell editor services in there now. Anything else I'm missing? Launch Vim again. Perfect. And we should see... Oh, crap. Our Node.js is old. We also are missing proslint, write good, and style UA, as they're not executable. Can we get that? Oh, actually. This might be a Node.js thing where I upgrade Node.js. Maybe it just relaunched it. Is that... No. Maybe not. Let's grab cargo. I think we'll upgrade Node.js as well. I hate to do this, but we're going to grab Composer and PHP as well. And let's grab PPA, Node.js, Ubuntu, bam. All right, we got binary distributions. Oh, snaps, gross. All right, no. All right, what about the binary distributions? Installation instructions. All right. Let's just do that. That should do it for NeoVim. Oh crap, what does that say? Error. Error. Oh no. No. That was too much. All right, that should grab me Node.js, but broken pipe. All right, so let's do a apt purge Node.js. It's probably just a conflicting old version. Nope, that's not it. Crap. I guess we could go. Man, that is just unfortunate. What do we think here? Looking at this. All right, let's just make sure it's not tacking anything. All right, cool. Nothing's in sources.list that shouldn't be there. Well, let's remove sudo remove node source. Let's just go with the Node.js 18. I feel like that would net us a better result. No, it did not. Tux coins. Why does it not show Tux? So lame. Man, I need to update all that. All the Twitch stuff is back when I was streaming all the time, Jalopy. No, this is just Ubuntu 22 server. I think we actually are back with that. I can do a chess puzzle. All right, let's do another chess puzzle. I think we pretty much got NeoVim. I just gotta fix something with Node.js. I think what we'll do while I do this puzzle, I think what we'll do, let's see here. No, that was not it. No, that was not it either. Why wouldn't that work? Nope. Oh, geez. All right. Yeah. Dirt to dirt. Rook ticks Rook. Yeah, Node.js is weird. It's like one of those things. All right, let me actually think about this time. Can't we just take there and then it puts pressure here and here? I don't. No. This is mate. Yeah. All right, cool. Solved chess puzzle. Good. Let's give it a reboot. I think we've got pretty much what we need, but we do need to set up the script to set our resolution properly on startup. So let's set SDDM. Oh, our time is off as well. Let's install NTP. Once we got NTP, we can also do sudo, what is it, time date ctl. I can't remember. What's the command? Time date ctl list time zones. Oh, list time zones, grep central. All right, cool. US-central. And then I think we just do set time zone US central. And that should fix our time. And then we do a time date CTL. What do we have? System clock synchronized? No. NTP service? Not. Yeah. I think there's still something here. Set NTP. I think it's just time date CTL set NTP US pool.ntp.org. Isn't that it? I think so. Yeah. That's it. Excuse me? Oh. That's a bool. True. Oh. Enable? Enabled. No. What is it? Set NTP bool. If the argument is true. Did I do true? I thought I did true. Yeah, I did true. NTP not supported. I just installed it. Oh, maybe. Yeah, actually, Mira, I've been working on that too. As my inside PC, I told you I was having problems with Ubuntu with the Intel NUC, and I ended up using Fedora for that one. So I have something to work off of there, Mira. So I'll definitely set something up. All right, I think I got that. I usually have NTP installed. That's weird. Yeah, set NTP. Okay, I did install. What did I miss? Oh, there's an ntp.conf. Oops. Wait, what? Why wouldn't you want to just do the pools? Why does that gotta be server? And why would the stock defaults be pool? Really? That's a thing? Why am I just now learning about this? So it wants us to replace pool with server. But why? Huh. Okay, NTP date? That's weird, isn't it? Am I the only one that thinks that's just bizarre? Yeah. Very odd. Okay. Wait, why is this all broken? Why does my Vim not look right? Okay. Did I not do Vim? Oh, it's not grabbing my Vim because I'm doing sudo. Couldn't I map that though? Yeah, well, whatever. All right, visual. Good enough. I don't know why that's a thing. I mean, to be not supported. Was there an update service or NTP update? Oh, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll mess with that later. Maybe I'll do a video. Nah, nobody gives a shit about NTP, but all right, what else? Oh yeah, I got completely sidetracked. I was actually in here. I was going to check out the sudo version of SDDM. So this we need to change. SDDM set resolution on startup. I want to say X setup is all we need, but I can't remember exactly what it is. Yeah, usually it's right in here. Scripts, SDDM, X setup. Sometimes that doesn't work for me and I end up putting it somewhere else though. Yeah, let's try it out and see what happens on reboot. What we got? Arch. Usually Arch forms are actually pretty good. Arch Wiki's even better though. We got Reddit. Let's see if there's a good solution in Reddit. I'll know it if I see it. What are they doing? Oh, this guy's, oh my god. No. He's setting it PGA ask. He's setting it a grub command. All right. That's a different way of doing things. Hell no, we're not doing that. That's funny. All right, let's see what other solutions we got. All right, this is obviously a terrible. Let's just go Arch Wiki. Just give me the wiki. These forum posts were awful. All right, let's do auto login. What else we got? Let's go resolution. Boop, 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 boop. All right, we could do it through Xorg. Xorg, this is actually not a bad way of doing things. I'm tempted. I think, honestly, I like it this way because it doesn't matter if I change my display manager, whatever's there. It just works. I kind of like that. So I did it differently though. Did I make a guide? X11. I didn't. I need to redo this video. Dang it. Set screen resolution Chris Titus Tech. Nope. There it is. Nope. Shut up, Chris. Here we go. Bam. I don't know. This is, I think, before I was doing a lot of stuff on the website. So some of this is not great, and I need to change some. But let's see what we got. So I am using HDMI-A-1 for the monitor identifier. So let's go sudo vim etc x11 xorg.confd 10-monitor.conf. And we're just going to paste all this in. Was it A-1? I think it was A-1, wasn't it? I just said it. A-1. Mode line, not really needed. You know, that was still fresh to Linux when I was messing around with a lot of this stuff on the desktop. Left of, right of, blah, blah, blah. Let's just, nah, not feeling any of this. All right. Oops. Got a little wrapping going on. Monitor identify. I feel like that's pretty good. Yes, much better. Nice and tidy. I think there's a setting to check Xorg config too. One of the top comments I remember. You're a lifesaver, blah, blah, blah. Nope. Oh. Check Xorg config. Can't remember what it was. What was it? There was a setting you ran to check your Xorg config as well. What distro for your own pen test lab? It depends on how familiar you are with Linux. Kali is usually what most people do for pen testing. It has a really good tool suite right out of the gate. So if you're just trying to get things going, Kali's going to probably be your best starting block for pen testing and security. General like ethical hacking usually starts with Kali Linux. Let's see. Yeah, I can't remember the command. All right, let's just YOLO it. I think it's fine. Let's reboot. Oh, do we have the auto login groups? Did not do that. Good thing I looked. User mod AG auto login Titus. Sudo reboot. All right, so if I did this right, everything should just fly right through and just drop me right on the desktop with a proper resolution, auto logged in, and we should be good. Yes. We're just gonna call it Tits Ubuntu. Tits Ubuntu. That's gonna be the name of this new distro spin. It's gonna be distro 1553 of Linux. Unneeded distros. Oh gosh, yes, the system D timeouts. I keep forgetting. Forgot all about that, Daru. Yeah, it would have been nice. What's up there, Gorgies? Oh yeah, Parrot OS is good for security testings as well. Good one, Jay. Gives me time to read chat. You know how much I read chat, Jalopy. About once every bit. Oh, is it already 6:42? It is 6:42 already. Holy Toledo. Well, I did not realize it was so late. Alrighty, guys. This boots on the desktop. I think we're going to call it a night. Although I do need to fix that systemd timeout and make sure it is doing that. I might start another stream here in a bit. Probably later tonight. I still got to eat dinner. Got to go see my daughters play. And then afterwards, probably when they go down, I'll probably jump back on, finish out PCI pass-through, and I'm thinking there's something else. A PCI pass-through for the NVIDIA. Oh, and then the systemd timeouts with this is going to time out here in the next 10 seconds. And then make sure my 10 gig card is operational. I can't remember what I did to get it operational, but so be it. All right, here we go. Spit me to my desktop in the proper resolution, please. Oh, no. Okay. Maybe? Hey! Success. We're good. All right, guys. I'm going to probably shut it down for now. I might be back in about 2 to 3 hours. With that, have a good one. I am out like a trout in the middle of a drought. Goodbye, all.